you're known when it comes to Jamaican culture, and this is a big deal for you. You know the Marleys, you know the family, you know the history, you know all the people in the industry. Your thoughts on this 80th event?
Every year we celebrate Bob on his birthday. Today was a very special, very unusually special day. I'm very glad to be part of today, more than any of the years in the past that I've celebrated. Because it reached 80, and 80 is a milestone here. What happened today was really interesting. In the morning, the children, performed and sang Bob's song and played their guitars and played their drums. It just meant so much more to me to see these children on Bob's 80th birthday, knowing his music and carrying it to the next generation and to their generation. And then to come here tonight and see, the older ones and some artists that we don't regularly hear. That was really great as well. Bushman was, very interesting what he had to say. As a lineage, surprised everyone. She was such a star on the stage. And then we saw that Sister Julie and Sister Marcia were in the audience. Because of the generation, that really would happen in the next generation. And then it's going to be the next generation. So it's continuing and Bob keeps on happening. It's like Bob is still alive. And he's still alive. When did he go? He's still here. We're singing his songs. We're dancing to the rhythm. He's still here. Talk about the living life. That's Bob Marley. Today was very special for that. All the people who came and who are here now make it really special and keep that alive. Keep our reggae music, keep our culture alive. Create something special in Jamaica. This reggae Rasta culture. African, Alex Garvey, created something very unique in the Black African world. And it's here in this little island, Jamaica, and it's epitomizing that one man named Bob Marley. So tonight is very special for that reason. I was very, very glad to be here all day. And this is a combination. This is God.